Vishakha. I'm Ravana Sangvi and I'm an psychology associate at Infogon Futures. And it's great speaking to you today.
Previous role, basically I work at present in a corporate world. When I was married and I was settled in Kuwait, I used to teach for students for a subject called English, because there it was a Muslim country, so English was the weakest part in there. They used to go in Arabic, so I worked for around 10 years in Kamal school, teaching subject as English and giving them. And before that also, my college, I was going through a human psychology. I have taught even the, you can say, autistic people, autistic kids, motivating them to learn to self be dependent, you can say, to eat food. They are really not capable to do anything, so that motivated me. Before, after that, in Kuwait I used to work there. Then after that, when I shifted to Pune, I did go for or choose for a career counseling. At present, I started working in a corporate world with UK and US process. And after that, this journey goes on. And but that is an interest in me from my college age, you can say school age, where I used to love kids. I used to be around kids. I used to, not only that, specific, you can say, only small people or small kids, you can say elderly glow. Even I have taught, been with so many elderly women who are not able to pick up in their work, or maybe not able to be independent. I have taught them to be independent, start from scratch, but that will be motivated for them to do work ahead. So basically, after 10th, I started with my home science. In home science, there was a subject called human psychology. There, they were teaching us about the autistic people. I showed an interest and I started working with them in my college days. After that, after my marriage, school was the motivation for me. I started working with the school organization and all. After I came back to India, and started my, and I met a person about y'all. I came to know from, you can say, Instagram, scrolling the reels. There I heard, then I just registered myself. Then a person came to me and he told me it is this, that. As it is, I was interested in it, and when he told me it's good, so I got more motivated by that. Now where kids are around, that gives you as it is a happy environment, because you play with them, you learn many things with them, and you teach them, and every step is a different experience. And that time and this time definitely is a very drastic change, and I wanted to experience and grow in this, so I told, let me give a try for it. Key features, basically I was looking how to interact with people, first thing. Second thing, how to know about their not goals only, it's about how they are motivated in their life, and how can I be a helpful, a motivator for them in every aspect, not only career. Maybe see, career counseling is not basically everything goes unto career. There is a career is a major part. Even some kids must be coming, they are unable to choose their career, and they are unable to choose what they are going in their mind. They, when they open up, it helps us to build even the career, even the life goals. It becomes more easier when sometimes they say, now when we are unable to open up near relatives or family, we open up near a stranger, and that stranger gives you a path of motivation. Initially, when I went through the reels, I saw a few reels. Then I was not that keen interested. When I met Mihir, he told me, he motivated me this, and as it is, I had somewhere inner interest left in me, because college days, school days. And when he told, then I told, let me give a try. Why not? If I am able to get back my passion in my life, get back something which I was enjoying in my life, that's the best thing in me. Working is definitely a part of it. I cannot leave my work, but apart from this, if I can do this, it will be helpful for me also, and even to know people around. And as it is, I love to know people and love to know kids and all, means interact with them, know means psychology behind what they are going through, and helping them in their own way of learning. as such, there is not single aspect. Everything. See, whatever I have learned from y'all, na, every small thing is important. Nothing is. I cannot specify a specific point over it. See, every step we went, even the intro was important, even the knowing part was important, even the roadmap was important, even the choosing was every single significant was having its own importance in this full journey. I cannot specify कि अरे ये part भी important, this part is important. No, every aspect was important because every part of it gave me a different learning way or teaching way कि how can I use my skills, and how after going through that, how can I use my skills to get ahead in this. That was main thing. Not कि this is right, that is nothing. Everything was perfect. And everything made me learn a new thing in my life also. Basically, everything was support. Everybody, even Omkar was Nigel, everybody was supporting because as I was unwell in between, as you all know. But after that also, whenever I needed support, Nigel came up to me. He gave me repeated sessions. Omkar supported me. He gave me repeated sessions. He called me. He personally handled whatever I wanted. And everything was made my path more smoother to really feel that yes, they are a person whom we can connect with. And definitely it is that sometimes what happens, we join an organization, after the certification people don't show interest in them. We have finished our part. But here it is not such. After the certification also, y'all were, Infigen was definitely a learning process, even a helping process, you can say. Wherever we used to be stuck, they never neglected us. They never ignored what we were going through. Help where we were stuck, they came up with repeated sessions, and that was a plus point in it. Enrollment process, you can say it was a roller coaster ride, because when Mihir came to me, I rejected it. I don't know. Then again he came to me. I said, no, yaar, I'm not interested. Why should I invest? Aage kuch future hi nahi hai iska. And my path now is very different. I'm into corporate world. Basically, I'm into UK, US process and client process and escalations. I just handle clients and escalations on a higher level. Use hoga. After third time, he told, give a thought. Then I was sending, बैठे मैंने कहा कि यार बोल रहा है तो let me go for it. And hopefully it will be a nice experience. It will be a journey of learning also and giving also, both things to hand in hand. I can give someone what they want and I can also learn many things from it. And every age, there is nothing, never it is less to learn anything in any age of time. So I called up Mihir again. I gave a thought to it and I just move ahead. If I get a chance, not age group, I don't want the smaller kids, because smaller kids you can see at the till 8th standard, they are not, no goal itself. They are fickle minded. Till 8th standard, what is the, till 6th, 7th standard, what is it? I want to be a doctor. No, I want to be a teacher. I want to be an engineer. I want to be this. Those are very fickle minded. And us time, whatever we say them, they are not going to get into their brains. They will say, yes, they will take it. They will, but to implement, they will not implement. Till 8th standard, nothing is going to be implemented. After 8th standard, 9th standard and 10th standard. After 10th is the main crucial thing, where the people are more interested in, if you want to go commerce, arts or science, or if you want a computer science, what goal they have now in 9th and 10th, they mostly after the 10th age, what the gap period, after the exam, there are 3 months of gap. That will, if you talk to them now, you'll come to know what exactly gist they are having in their mind, what exactly their thought process is going with 8 to 10. These 3 groups I would love to target. And if I get a chance to work with, you can say, as I was working with, what you can say, that autistic people, to learn, motivate them in their journey of life, that would be the best. And I would love Infigen should also go through it, because that is also a plus point. It's not only career concept, even Infigen can provoke them. There are so many people, you can say, who are autistic people has come up learning and records they have built up. in their career.
Yeah.
So that will be also, I would love to go in. And you can see even one of my family member, he was very autistic. Now he writes a book.
Wow.
He writes his own book of his life journey he has written. He's
That's
still
right.
in that phase, but that's where, and that motivates me also. When this kind of people, when why not we are that capable to do everything. And if I can give something a progress, if I can help someone in coming up, that is the blessing for me to go ahead in life. In regards challenging is just getting a start of it.
Okay.
Basically, if one started and if one speak to many people ahead, I don't think any difficulty would come across, for me at least, because I know I'm that confident in myself. Unless you're confident for anything, you cannot go for anything. If you are confused state, if you are a fickle minded or anything, there also you will see, how can I go, how can I start. Just it is some push, you can say a push or a start for it. Once started, then I know that I can win and everything. When you have the motivation yourself, when you are, unless you are motivated with it, nothing can be important in nothing can help you ahead to go and achieve what your goals. As a journey, when I started after my separate divorce, I was a housewife, and I started with a corporate world, and this 8 years of my journey was wonderful. I grew each and every day. I was a timid person to face camera. Today, I work with clients in UK with higher level escalations, never expected, with a high demand of people want to talk to me in people that yes, we want this person with us, she can handle herself. So I have achieved a lot, and I'm very proud of myself. Basically what happens, nowadays, parents and children, less of communication among themselves. What happens when parents come, when the children are in 8, 9, they say, okay, they are studying. Please study. Okay, study. 24 hours, the parents are honking themselves or haunting. Please study. I want this marks. No. Why you all want to force them for anything? Let them be free-minded. Give them that space to choose their own lining. Even I have my niece, we 10th standard, she's in now. We don't tell her. My sister, I told her, तुम उसको बोलोगे continuously, she will be frustrated at one level. Please, ma, leave me alone. Let me think on myself. I would really want that parents should firstly be on a friendly note. I've learned from my mother. If you put these 3 things in your mind, I can, I will, and I will do and show, you can win the world. And impossible word also has I am possible in it. So why not? Where are we lacking? Nothing. I can, I will, and I will do and show. This is our motto of life. Then you can win the world. And touch wood, I'm very blessed, and I would want every parent to learn that don't push them for everything what you all have missed. Push them for what they have missed, what they want to do in life, which gives them smiles on their face, and they will enjoy the work, studies, and everything, and they will come up to you that this, we want this in life. Be a friend rather than be a strict mother or parent. Basically, first, when they come to us, I would definitely want them to be first to know, or be a friendly note, to start with a friendly note. Not as I'm a counselor or you're that you have come, you have to say this, serious question. Be first friendly note, know them in a friendly way. When you're mingle around, or when you get little bit along, then slowly, step by step, to know what are their goals. Because unless they want to be open to you, you cannot pick out many things from their mind. You need to first read their mind, what they want. That is more important than getting on a serious note कि हाँ what is career, तुम्हारी career के, वो तो हर कोई पूछेगा. अगर मैं सिर्फ वही चीजें पे focus करूंगी तो they will not. What are their aims, what they have gone through this journey of their school age, what they have faced, and why they have been this way, and what are their thinking. After that, have to go through it. If you also come to me कि हाँ यार मैं career counselor के पास जा रही हूँ, वो मुझे सिर्फ career counselor is not only career based, it is based how you take the student and how you motivate them, how you make them work in their life in a progressive and a positive way, even not only life journey, career journey, and everything. My page name is Destined Dreams, It is my website, and my number is 9265 942 404. Yes, of course, because whatever positive thing I have achieved in getting this journey ahead, and I am definitely, I would say, if you are really have an interest in students or in knowing people, you should definitely go for it without a second thought.
Okay, so thank you so much, and I got a really good insight from you. So that's all the questions I have.
Thank you.